Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilots YouTube channel. And today I want to give you an update on the radiant floor in the hangar. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. Here it is. We are in the latter part of May, and so we've gone through the entire winter. Warmer weather is approaching, but I wanted to give you a heads up. I just paid my gas bill for last month for the radiant floor, and with the two loops that go around the perimeter, we call them our sweater and our jacket to keep the main body of the floor. We use the sweater and the jacket to mitigate the heat loss from the edges of the slab. A much more efficient design, but just wanted to give you a heads up. Our hangar is 4,320 square feet on the ground. It's 22 feet tall. I'll leave it to you to work out the volume. But this entire winter, we have only spent less than $500 on natural gas to keep this entire hangar at 66 degrees 24/7. Not a bad deal for a space this big. We actually spend many more times this on our house keeping it warm. So just wanted to give you a heads up. The radiant floor is very efficient, and again, we're in Ohio and our winter bill is less than $500. I think it was like $482.74 for natural gas, and that is up through May of this year. So there's our winter heating bill. Thought we'd give that to you in case you're looking for a nice efficient hangar or even a way to do your house. Hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks for watching, and have a good day flying your Grumman.
And in addition, there's a little treat about 3 o'clock in the morning when I'm doing web work and other stuff. Here's my cat coming down, playing with a mouse and meowing and just having a good time with me in the wee hours of the night. So I thought I'd throw this into you as a little treat. Y'all please enjoy.